This day-long session brought together all 7 district chiefs, their assistants and lady councillors for a special training on key thematic areas covering human rights protection, women and girls' rights, child protection, and as well as good governance. The seminar organized by the development support organization Tostan seeks to strengthen local governance, enabling leaders in grassroots communities to protect and promote human rights. Giving an overview of the training, Tostan Gambia coordinator Idrissa Keita highlighted the importance of the seminar, noting that it will equip chiefs and community leaders with the requisite knowledge to perform their duties as expected. Mr. Keita said the protection of fundamental human rights should be everyone's responsibility, especially for young people who aim to boost their involvement in civic participation. The governor of the region, Sambaba, commended Tostan for complementing government's effort, saying training district chiefs and their assistants will equip local leaders with skills to effectively deliver their duties.
When you look at it, sometimes the court members, some of the court members, they may not be able to at least know all because they are not privileged to certain information. And as a result, giving them this type of training is a prerequisite that will help them in dispensing their duties, because when you know they deal with courts, and in these courts sometimes there are matters related to gender-based violence. They are also related to this FGM. There are also others that are related to what we call democracy and human rights. You know, these are all things that the chiefs and their court members need to know, so that at the end of the day it will help them to wisely, work on whatever they are doing and do it right. As we know, where you have customs and tradition, if the laws of the Gambia say no to something, then the customs of traditions have to be put aside. We have to respect the laws of the land. So in this, they need to be aware. They need to be trained. So Tostan, what they are doing, what they have been doing in URR, we know, and what they are doing again in URR is immense. So for me, I pray that we continue such type of training, because if the districts are stable, the region becomes stable. If the districts are compiled with activities and whatsoever, and at the end of the day they are not done in the rightful way, what happens is the governor's office is put under pressure. And if the governor's office is put under pressure, the main central government in Banjul also is put into pressure. And as a result, addressing the problems become a challenge. But if you are able to have this sensitization, it will add up to addressing some of the issues that have been there. And they did not know how to address them. Now this training will help them to at least address those problems.
Speaking on behalf of the participants, Chief Mohammed Minte Kurubali of Seyfolu East thanked Tostan and their partners for giving them such an opportunity, highlighting the importance of the training and how it will help them to execute their function as district chiefs.
Since they are talking on issues that has something to do with our job, so it's very, very important for us, we the chiefs. As you know, we have a tribunal too. One of the presenters will be presenting something about the law to let us know what is that and what is that. And also whatever they are doing here, they are showing, teaching us here has something connected to our job. So it's very, very, very important for the chiefs. As chief and participant, I would advise my colleagues to pay attention. There are a lot of things that we could know here today, we never knew about it.
This training extends a major drive to enhance local governance and administration, building capacity on thematic social issues necessary for chiefs to effectively dispense their duties in their role as traditional rulers. Saidou Camara, reporting for GRTS News from Basse Upper River Region.